Hello, this is Tamer Zain from ElliottWaveForex.com with your weekly analysis for the Euro-US dollar currency pair. In the wake of the Brexit vote, the official currency of the Eurozone took a considerable hit against the US dollar. It began by the Euro-USD losing over 500 pips of its value in a single day, breaking the 1.1000 support level, followed by a timid 50% correction that seems to be meeting strong resistance. Momentum has also turned rather bearish over the past week. All this supports our main view that a new downtrend has begun and will continue for a long time to come, but it doesn't negate the possibility that a very long-term triangle is still unfolding sideways. These are strange and wild time for the euro, and as always we'll do our best to keep you one step ahead. We're updating our accounts to reflect the most recent price action and to present tighter targets and invalidation points. Now, beginning as usual with the big picture on the weekly chart, we see that the euro is moving towards the downside in teal wave X, which is forming a double zigzag labeled maroon waves W, X, and Y, where maroon wave Y is forming a zigzag labeled black waves A, B, and C, within which black wave A formed an impulse labeled blue waves 1 through 5, and black wave B formed a running flat labeled blue waves A, B, and C. This completes black wave B at 1.1616. Now moving to the daily chart, our main count sees that black wave C is forming an impulse labeled blue waves 1 through 5, where blue wave 1 is forming an impulse labeled pink waves 1 through 5, and within it, pink wave 1 formed an impulse labeled green waves 1 through 5, then pink wave 2 formed a zigzag labeled green waves A, B, and C, retracing 61.8% of pink wave 1. Now pink wave 3 is forming an impulse labeled green waves 1 through 5, and so this count expects the euro to continue moving towards the downside in pink wave 3, and this will be largely confirmed by movement below 1.0913. So at 1.0909, pink wave 3 would reach 100% the length of pink wave 1, then at 1.0589 it would reach 161.8% of its length. This wave count is invalidated by movement above 1.1428, as green wave 2 may not move beyond the start of green wave 1. However, we have another alternate count which sees that black wave B is still unfolding as a contracting triangle labeled blue waves A, B, C, D, and E, where waves A, B, C, and D are complete, each having formed a zigzag labeled pink waves A, B, and C, and so this count expects the euro to be moving towards the upside in blue wave E, which is likely forming a zigzag labeled pink waves A, B, and C, and so this count expects the euro to move towards the upside in blue wave E to complete black wave B. Now at 1.1348, blue wave E would retrace 61.8% of blue wave D, then at 1.1587 it would reach 161.8% the length of blue wave C. This count is invalidated by movement above 1.1616, as blue wave E of this contracting triangle may not move beyond the start of blue wave D, and it's also invalidated by movement below 1.0913, as pink wave B of this zigzag may not move beyond the start of pink wave A. That's all for our analysis for this week. I wish you profitable trading and see you next time.